Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character niàn step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. Niàn means to read. To study a subject. To miss somebody. For example, 念书. 念书 to read, to study. Now check this sentence. I know I should study, but he persuaded me to go to the movies. 我知道我应该念书，可是他说服了我去看电影。I know I should study, but he persuaded me to go to the movies. 我知道我应该念书。可是他说服了我去看电影。我知道我应该念书 study. 可是他说服了 persuaded 我去看电影 to go to the movies. My daily handwriting on the character niàn. Niàn, to read, to study a subject, to miss somebody. 念书 to read, to study. I know I should study, but he persuaded me to go to the movies. 我知道我应该念书，可是他说服了我去看电影。Please comment any words or sentence with the character niàn. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.